Let us understand the step-by-step process of entering possession details in StrategicERP. To enter possession details, the agreement details and other payments should be completed and approved. Navigate to the Possession Details form under the Sales Management module. Select the unit code and member code. Relevant details will auto-populate based on your selection. Select date of sale deed and enter sale deed registration number. Select the inspection date by customer and enter the site Incharge person name. Under Member Details Summary module, enter remarks, if any. You can also select the inspection date by customer based on the remarks. Based on the inspection date and information collected by customer, you can enter the possession date. Enter the completion date if applicable. Under the Unit Details Summary tab, you can view details such as unit code, name of company, unit number, unit type, carpet area and sale area. The process of entering possession details is now complete.